Nexo is a coin that is presently exchanged at $0.619742 per unit, with the market capitalization of $347,055,685. That sort of makes it a low-position digital money. Computerized resources like Nexo sort of have currently, in every practical sense, become the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for huge institutional financial backers who see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a certainly compelling generally support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. In this way, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto especially is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who needs to really develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which is very huge. Yet, with it sort of comes the need to intently by and large follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is going on and generally have some feeling representing things to come amazingly. This Nexo cost expectation model was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to essentially put resources into, and keep the value bend developing, which especially is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the inside and out Nexo examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the by and large fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture. So, how about we center around the Nexo market, its for the most part current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Nexo remains at $0.619742, and this specific advanced resource sort of stands firm on the 73rd foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning. For your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and in every practical sense, is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to get a sort of better handle of the market circumstance and truly figure out the overall bearing of the pattern, or to really enlist its non-attendance, it's additionally vital to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they thought. Yesterday, on October 23, the cost of Nexo remained at $0.560380 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 7.62% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost 7 days prior. On October 17, the Nexo market fundamentally remained at $0.541451 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost in a real sense moved by 0%, comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on September 24, Nexo was estimated at $0.561339, which explicitly concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Nexo, it addresses a 10.40% cost move, or so they sort of thought. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the kind of current market structure, though our inside and out cost gauge depends on the appearances of CVIX. However, to grasp the really in general especially capability of Nexo, or some other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's vital to consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource in a significant manner. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital currency dealers view market capitalization as a vital pointer to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, which explicitly is very huge. It is determined by duplicating the very all-out number of coins that are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now remains at $0.619742. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to be at $347,055,685, which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among those present on the digital currency market. Yesterday, on October 23, the market capitalization of Nexo remained at $313,812,963. Keep going week. On October 17, the aggregate sum of kind of capital dedicated to Nexo was laid out at $303,212,472. The information from a month prior, enlisted on September 24, essentially shows that Nexo had a market capitalization of $314,349,678 incredibly. As its name proposes, genuinely greatest inventory alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point be mined or printed inside the comparing blockchain network. When that sum explicitly is acquired, the framework stops the age of new coins for good. The most extreme stock is typically shown in the source code of the hidden convention, as well as the white paper in an unobtrusive manner. The commencement towards the most extreme stockpile ordinarily begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain. In our occasion, Nexo has a greatest stockpile of 100,000,000 coins. This in every practical sense, specific component of a specific coin can be considered as a fence against expansion on the grounds that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the greatest stock most certainly is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a more unsurprising and essentially consistent cost appreciation in an unobtrusive manner. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and certainly are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' chilly wallets. The complete stock likewise considers any coins that essentially have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in a by and large huge manner. It can really measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange. The complete stockpile of Nexo right now remains at 100,000,000 Nexo. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply is the most generally involved certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. It compares with the best guess of the truly generally number of coins that in every practical sense are public on digital currency trades and for the most part add to their liquidity, which generally is genuinely huge. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in savvy contracts, secured in advanced wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The flowing stockpile is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange. At this moment, the circling supply of Nexo is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market added up to $3,967,880 when. Yesterday, on October 23, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $1,672,322. 7 days prior, on October 17, the force of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $3,390,763. This information and the events on the Nexo outline can by and large assist you with surveying for yourselves the in every practical sense current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing bearing or making an